The initial step involves gathering all necessary ingredients for the recipe. Accurate measurement of each ingredient is crucial for achieving the desired outcome. 1/2 cup butter provides richness and moisture to the final product. 2/3 cup granulated sugar contributes to the sweetness and browning of the baked goods. 2 eggs act as a binding agent and add structure to the mixture. Buttermilk, soda, cornmeal, flour, salt, each shape flavor. Preheating the oven to 375 degrees is a crucial step for even baking. Preheating ensures the oven reaches the correct temperature before baking begins. Consistent temperature during baking is essential for uniform cooking and browning. Without preheating, baked goods may not rise properly or cook evenly. Butter melts when heated due to the increasing kinetic energy of its molecules. The melting point of butter is influenced by its composition, primarily the types and ratios of fatty acids. Applying medium heat allows for controlled and even melting, preventing burning and maintaining butter's flavor. The process of melting involves a phased transition from solid to liquid as the butter absorbs thermal energy. Even melting ensures a smooth, consistent texture, crucial for many culinary applications. The rate of melting is affected by the surface area of the butter exposed to the heat source. White sugar is added to melted butter to begin the mixing process. Whisking is essential for combining sugar and melted butter to achieve a smooth texture. Proper mixing ensures the sugar dissolves evenly into the melted butter. A well-combined mixture results in a consistent and uniform texture. The ratio of 2/3 cup of white sugar to the melted butter is critical for optimal consistency. The mixing process transforms separate ingredients into a cohesive base. Eggs should be cracked into a separate bowl before adding to other ingredients. Whisking the eggs before adding them ensures even distribution in the mixture. The whisked eggs are then added to the butter and sugar mixture. Quick whisking is essential to prevent the eggs from cooking due to the heat of the butter and sugar. Proper mixing ensures a smooth and consistent batter. A well-mixed batter contributes to the final product's texture and flavor. Buttermilk reacts with baking soda, causing a chemical reaction. The combination of buttermilk and baking soda is a common leavening agent in baking. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a base that reacts with the acid in buttermilk. This reaction produces carbon dioxide gas, which creates air pockets and lightens the texture of baked goods. The slight fizzing indicates the release of carbon dioxide as the reaction progresses. The recipe begins with combining 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Accurate measurements of dry ingredients are essential for achieving the desired consistency and flavor in the final product. Thorough mixing of the dry ingredients ensures even distribution and prevents clumping during subsequent steps. Proper blending of dry components is crucial for the uniform texture of the cooked dish. Buttermilk mixture is gradually added to dry ingredients. The wet and dry ingredients are combined through stirring. Stirring continues until a smooth batter forms. A smooth batter is the desired consistency. A few lumps in the batter are acceptable. The final batter is ready for the next step. The batter is poured into a greased 8-inch square pan. Even distribution of batter within the pan ensures uniform baking. Greasing the pan prevents the baked goods from sticking. An 8-inch square pan provides the appropriate volume for the recipe. Proper batter distribution is essential for consistent texture and rise. The baking pan is placed inside the preheated oven. The baking time ranges from 30 to 40 minutes. A toothpick inserted into the center indicates doneness when it comes out clean. The clean toothpick test confirms that the baked item is fully cooked. The finished cornbread presents a golden brown top, indicating thorough baking. Cutting a piece reveals the cornbread's fluffy and moist internal texture. The cornbread is now ready to be served, offering a warm and comforting dish. Proper baking techniques ensure a consistent golden brown crust and a tender interior. Fluffy texture results from the leavening process and proper mixing of ingredients.